Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make this apple and carrot ginger juice very healthy and ideal for skin. So now I'm gonna peel the carrots. As you can see in the video, I'm just peeling the carrots. Then after then I will just wash everything. You all know that carrots contain vitamin A, which helps to repair your body and make your skin grow. It brightens your skin and make your skin grow. So carrot is very good. If you have not been eating carrot, you have to think twice. And it also helps to prevent wrinkles. Yes guys, carrot has a lot of very good benefits in our body. And carrot is also great for hair, and it prevents your body from wrinkles. So carrot has a lot of great benefits, guys, for those of you that don't know. So let's go to the benefits of apple. You all know that apple is very good when you want to lose weight. It's filled with fiber because it contains a low cholesterol. It's also good for your heart, and they may fight asthma. So apple is very good. Like they said, if you want to be free from doctor, eat an apple a day. So that is it, guys. Like you all know, ginger has a lot of great benefits. Yes, it burns fats. They are also good for your heart, and they can lower your cancer. So ginger has a lot of great benefits. Yes guys. Red grapes. You all know that red grapes contains a lot of amazing benefits, which is it keeps your heart healthy and also lower your blood pressure. Yes, grapefruit is with a lot of great benefits. It promotes brain's function. Oh my god. It also boosts your immune system. Guys, grapefruit, if you have not been eating grapefruit, start eating grapefruit right now. It contains good amount of vitamin C, good for your eyes. Red grapefruit is also good for your eyes. It keeps your eyes healthy. Grapefruit also help you in losing weight. Yes guys, for weight loss journey, if you are on a weight loss journey, you need grapefruit. It also promotes weight loss and promotes useful skin. Yes guys. And lastly, grapefruit reduce risk of cancer. So guys, grapefruit has a lot of amazing benefits, which I cannot count them all. So guys, right now the next thing is just for me to add all the fruits in my juicer and just blend them all. So before I forget guys, you notice I added salt while I'm washing the fruits. Yes guys, because the reason why is because salt kills bacteria a lot. So I use salt with warm water when I'm washing my veggies. So that is it guys. Keep watching, and if you are watching to this extent, you have not yet subscribed, oh my goodness, what are you waiting for? Just kindly smash that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And if you are my OG returning subscribers, God bless you. I really appreciate you guys. So keep watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. Yeah. So guys, you can also use a blender if you don't have juicer. Yes guys, the only thing you just need to do is to blend everything with water, and after blending you just sip out all the chaff. So that is it guys. As you can see, I prefer to use I have juicer. That is why I'm using it, because I don't want to add water or milk to blend. So that is it guys. Right now I'm done with my fresh healthy drink. Oh my goodness. So guys, this drink is amazing, 100% natural. Try this recipe and come and thank me later. I believe I have come to the end of this video. See you guys in my next upcoming video. As of now, I am out. Ciao.